This is our room for the Kalahari Resort. This is me with my Kalahari t-shirt and my daughter's doll. So this is the new building they have. They just built and opened up, called the Hillside building. This is a standard 2-queen bedroom. It's really nice. I like this mirror. They have an iron there and an ironing board, full ironing board. They have a coffee machine with a couple of cups and some decaf and regular coffee and little condiments there. Little tissue box and lotions and body wash here. They have a microwave, standard size microwave for a hotel. More shelving for whatever else you need to put up there. Refrigerator. It's a decent size refrigerator. I would call it a cooler because it's not good. It's not that cold. But yeah, this is what they call a cooler pretty much. But it's a decent size. A dryer here. Some hand towels. Extra toilet paper. Sorry. The camera work is awful. The sink. This vanity is very nice. I like this sink. Does this turn off? Oh. The switch is there. But I like that. It basically lights up this whole section. This is, the bathroom is here. Let's see, where's the light? Lights here. Oh, it turns on when you come into the bathroom. Standard bathroom, but very nice. It's brand new, so it's clean. Light up there over the shower. Shower head is not removable, but it's tall, very tall. A lot of lighting in here. There's a mirror here. And there's a hook on the back of the door. Let's see. You got standard closet. There's no door in the closet, but there's extra pillows here. Hangers. I've put my coats up already, because it is March and still pretty chilly. Standard safe. More cubby holes for shoes, I believe. They have a snack cart here, snack tray with some snacks and water, life water. You know, Kalahari branded. We got some pretzels and some more popcorn, gummies, and chocolate covered raisins. Yeah, and a Cliff Bar. But this is some M&Ms, and these are mixed nuts. This is the price list. Check that out. $8 for this bag of M&Ms. How much is that Cliff Bar? $5 for the Cliff Bar. Yeah, absolutely not. Ice tray. Ice bucket, I should say. USB port. Oh, look at that. Light switch. Lots of nice amount of charging. This is a bag of shoes I have. I'm gonna put them right there. Nice chair. This is a very nice sized desk for anybody need to get some work done or a place to eat. Really nice place. There is a room service menus and also menus of all the restaurants on the property. They have a Starbucks in the building. But this is the room service, and there's so what they do for room service is they have pizza, and they have this breakfast, and they have a lunch and dinner offering, which is mostly typical stuff like chicken tenders and wings and salads and things like that. Let's see. Can you get alcohol? You can. You can get wine delivered and beers. Yeah. There you go. And you can also get Starbucks delivered. That's the television. The television is pretty sizable. And more storage. A nice piece of artwork there. There's a lot of space over here. There's a sofa. Nice artwork. They look like meerkats. This is a, yeah, this is a pull-out lid. Yeah, definitely. We won't be needing it, but it's nice to have if you do. And there's two beds. They look like full size, but yeah. More charging stations. I love it. No more outlets. This is it's spring break. Breakation. Oh, excuse me. These are the spring break activities they have going on all week. A lot of cool things. This is the phone. Very sleek phone. Very nice. Remote. I like this headboard. Look, it's like a piece of art. Very textured, like it feels like canvas, but it's not canvas, but they've given it the texture of canvas, if you know what I mean. And it's another piece of art right there. So yeah, this is our room for Kalahari Resorts, Hillside, the brand new building. We'll say the room is very nice and roomy. It smells like paint, like fresh paint in here. The whole building smells like fresh paint. I walked in and it smelled like it was smells like a brand new building. You can tell. It's the beginning of the season because it's spring break, and of course, as the months go on, they will get closer and closer to summer, and then it'll be busy season. I will say, but the view is not so great. This view is very barren and brown. But I think that, of course, when it's summer, those trees will fill out. It would look a lot prettier, and that grass may be greener. But because it's a new construction, this grass has not been able to, grow yet, and they haven't been able to do the landscaping on that grass. They've done a lot of landscaping with rocks and everything, and they spent a lot of time doing that, it looks like. So I imagine that they will spend some time on this grass, and it will be greener and look a lot lovelier. So yeah, that's the strip where there's lots of hotels and other hotels and restaurants and things like that. And yeah, so that is Kalahari Resorts of Wisconsin Dells. This is the new Hillside building. Let me know if you like the room or if you would like to stay in the original building. I will say I was just in the buildings last year, and a friend of ours is staying there too. Still nice rooms, very nice rooms. Their room had a balcony, which I like balconies. So, and we don't have a balcony, but and their room was quite a bit. It was big. It was a big room for a standard room in the original building. So I did hear that they were going to be refurbishing those rooms pretty soon. So they'll pretty much all be new rooms. But yeah, so that's the resort. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to do a tour of some of the building. The Tomfoolery is a amusement park they have here. And I'll do the lobby, which is really decked out for spring break. And I'll do a couple of restaurants or two and the water park. But let me know in the comments if you guys want, what do you want to see? Restaurants, water park, amusement park, or other shopping areas and the lobby. Let me know. So like and subscribe, and next time, bye.